Welcome back to another SCX24 metal upgrade. I have the Hobbypark ESC Tray and shock mounts, so we'll be putting those on in this video. So I took the rear bumper and body mount off. It doesn't have to come off, I just like it out of the way. So first thing we have to do is we have to take the shocks off all of the shock mounts and then unplug the ESC and then remove the tray. Able to get the ESC off of the tray, and it's still pretty sticky. I think I saved that. I'll be able to stick it right back on the new tray. But before we can weigh it, we have to put these pieces together here. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw this on the front and rear. So we got, well, it went up to 3 now. 3 grams, we'll call it 3 grams. So we put the metal pieces on, what do we end up with? 6. We end up with 6. So now it's time to put everything back together. Into a little problem with this shock. When I was screwing the ball screw in, it broke, and the end of it is still in this shock tower, and I just have this screw here to hold this shock, so there is still suspension because I still want to try and climb this plywood here. So yeah, the next video is probably going to be these trail shocks. So I still have to put these body posts in. Go in something like that, and then you run a screw in, and then I have to put this body on. We were at 8.5 ounces in my last video. We started at 8.1 stock, but we did a few mods since then. So let's see where we are now. We are up to 8.7. So we gained 0.6 of an ounce with the few mods that I added. So that was the install of the ESC tray, also the 4 shock mounts. Unfortunately, doing that, it actually kind of raised the center of gravity a little bit, and it kept flipping over at 49 degrees. Before I did that, I could do 49 degrees, but it would just sit and spin in one place. It wouldn't really climb, although it did not want to roll over on its back. So that is the unfortunate thing. We did gain a little weight with it, but the good news is everything else is below the chassis that I'm going to be putting on here. So hopefully that will continue to lower that center of gravity. But I just wanted to get all the upper stuff done first, all the underbody stuff done, and then we'll work down from there. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one when we put these trail shocks on.